What is surface-supplied diving and how does it affect safety? Have you ever wondered how divers work safely in the deep ocean? Surface-supplied diving is a fascinating method that plays a key role in underwater operations. It involves divers receiving breathing gas through a hose, known as an umbilical, connected to the surface. This setup allows divers to stay submerged for longer periods while maintaining a constant supply of air. Unlike scuba diving, where divers carry their own air tanks, surface-supplied divers depend on this continuous connection for breathing, communication, and even hot water for their suits. This technique is widely used in commercial diving, underwater construction, inspection, welding, and salvage operations. Divers often work in limited areas but for extended durations, making this method essential. The equipment can vary from traditional heavy copper helmets to modern lightweight full-face masks. The type of breathing gas used can also change based on depth and conditions, including air, helium-oxygen mixtures, or nitrox. When it comes to safety, surface-supplied diving has several advantages. First, the continuous air supply significantly lowers the risk of drowning since divers do not rely on a limited tank. The umbilical serves as a physical tether, which helps prevent divers from getting lost underwater. Communication lines allow for constant contact with surface personnel, ensuring immediate assistance during emergencies. Additionally, the larger gas supply enables longer working times and safer decompression procedures, which helps reduce the chances of decompression sickness. However, there are challenges to consider. The diver's mobility can be restricted by the length and management of the umbilical, which may become tangled or snagged on underwater structures. The equipment and logistics involved are more complex and costly than scuba diving. This requires trained surface support teams and specialized gear. Emergency procedures must be practiced thoroughly, as divers relying on the surface supply and support. If the gas supply or communication fails, it can be life-threatening. Furthermore, the physical encumbrance from the umbilical and helmet can make moving in tight spaces difficult. In high-risk professions like underwater welding, deep-sea fishing gear repair, and salvage operations, surface-supplied diving is a vital tool. Divers face hazardous conditions such as strong currents, cold temperatures, and limited visibility. The safety benefits of surface-supplied diving help manage these risks, but the profession remains dangerous due to environmental hazards and the complexity of the equipment. Overall, surface-supplied diving enhances safety by providing a reliable air supply, communication, and a physical connection to the surface. These factors are essential in high-risk underwater jobs. However, strict procedures, skilled support teams, and careful management of equipment are necessary to address the challenges and ensure safety in these demanding environments.